Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you on Facebook how to change your Facebook profile name. Now of course your Facebook profile name is your displayed name, how others will see you or how others will notice your name. Of course this tutorial applies for both Android as well as iPhones. The process is the same. I'll be demonstrating on an Android, but if you have an iPhone, the process is exactly the same. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Now in order to change your display name or your profile name, go ahead guys and find the Facebook application. Once you find the Facebook app, go ahead and launch. Alright, so once you launch the Facebook app, you should be in. First thing you want to do guys, from wherever you are, go ahead and tap the three lines upper right. Once you tap, go down. You're going to go to the option that says on screen as seen here. You're going to go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, it should expand and you'll see these options. Next, you're going to go over to settings. And of course, you should see this menu right here. From here, guys, you're going to go ahead and of course, go into personal information. And once you're in personal information, notice it identifies a number of information here. Go ahead and hit where it says general area. It says name. And of course, this is my name. Let me just show you what I mean. Earlier, you saw my profile and you saw the name displayed right here. That's my name and that's what everybody else sees. So I'm going to change the name given. All right, so we're going to go ahead, guys. We're going to go back again in case you didn't see it the first time. Go to settings, personal information. And of course, once you're in here, go ahead and click on name. And of course, it will show you this information here is very important that you read. It says, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again until or for 60 days. Don't add any unusual characterization, punctuation, characters, or random words. In other words, they're saying that if you do not do that, or if you do that, what's going to happen is that it might be harder for you to get found. So of course, if you're going to make a change, make sure that you think about what you're going to do before you actually modify the name given. All right. All right. So for me, I'm just going to modify my name. I'm going to add this in. I'm just going to add just something extra. All right. So you notice I've added that. I've just modified just that. Notice you're also given a nickname. It's an optional field. Of course, you can always remove that if you want. It's just what they call you by nickname. So if you want, you can actually use that, just showing that one off. And of course, notice it gives you the option here to review changes. And it shows you what you're going to switch from. It shows here that in my case, what's going to be displayed, you have Ricky, Baby Gardner. And of course, it shows you what was previously shown. So it does show you, suppose you want this to be what's shown versus this. All right, so it does show that. So the first one is option quite nice. It says next year, it gives you the one again for the next 60 days. And it says just go ahead and save settings. And of course, to make sure it's you, it does ask that you enter your password. Once you have entered your password, all right, so once you have entered your password, go ahead and save changes. And of course, the modified changes will of course take effect. But do note, of course, you cannot make or modify this ever again until 60 days. I do not want to do mine here. I'm just showing you exactly how I did it or how it's done. So of course, for you, you'll save. And of course, for me, as it relates to this, I'm just going to stop here. All right. So once you do that, what's going to happen is that once you return to your profile, the new name should take effect. All right. So of course, guys, that's how to change your display name or your name on Facebook. All right. So of course, if you love this tutorial, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. This is Ricardo Gardner as usual from Blog Tech Tips. When there's such a quick tips showing you how to change your name on Facebook. Bye guys, until next time.